I request everyone to open Postman, Postman tool, and okay, I'm not doing it today. Okay, I'll not do it today. Okay, before we start the practice or the thing, could anyone know? Could anyone tell me like what is the main important thing? What is the main important thing before we start doing testing? Before we start doing API testing? Okay, let's go with API testing only. What is the main important thing which we need to have?
Document.
Understand requirements.
Mm-hmm,
Yes, documentation.
We should have set up.
mm-hmm,
requirement.
mm-hmm. Okay, let me give you one example. Okay, you went to a restaurant or you went to your friend's place or a relative's place. Okay, and there you had they you might have some dish which you really liked, which you really liked. Okay, so you thought let's come home and try that dish. Okay, then some of some of the person said, okay, uh why do you want to try that dish? I know you, if you want to have it, then you can go to the restaurant or your relative's place or your friend's place and have it one more time if you really liked it. So what will you do? Will you try the dish or will you stop trying the dish?
I'll try.
You'll try, right? So
Hmm.
first thing in doing anything, should not have fear of making mistakes. Okay, you should never have fear of making mistakes. So this is where testing also comes into picture. the, then then documentation comes into picture, like you might ask the recipe ingredients from your friend, or you might for a restaurant you might search in YouTube or somewhere. So this is where documentation comes into picture. So whenever if someone gives you a documentation or someone asks you to, okay, you will be placed, you will be moved as an API tester or a, I can say, performance tester or a SQL tester, or any testing, it might be any testing. uh, Please make sure that okay, you should have that confidence. Okay, let me try this out, let me try this out. In that way you will have 99% of confidence, like you'll have that 99% of confidence that you will succeed. So make mistakes. Mistakes should be made in while testing, and that is where you will also find more negative scenarios. Then comes documentation. Then once documentation comes into picture, then all the flow which we have is all one and the same. Any testing it might be. Okay, so yeah, so this is how, I mean, if someone says we cannot do it, then try doing it. That is where mostly testers excel, actually. And that is where I mean, we are still a customer, to be honest. We are still a customer to that APIs or to any application which we are testing. So try different things. Do not back out and try different things. Okay, now, okay, create open everyone have they opened the Postman tool on the system?
Yes.
Okay, now click on, I want you to click on create workspace, and let me know how many ways can you create a workspace. What all options do you have? I mean, what all access do you have in order to create a workspace? In how many ways?
We can
Ashish, in
create a
two
workshop.
ways.
Only in two ways?
Yes.
Are you sure? Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me,
Yes.
is it only in two ways? Mm,
Yes, one of them, like on the title bar, we can see workspace,
mm,
and one of is when you click my workspace, just
uh-huh.
underneath the
No, no,
title
no,
bar,
no,
new.
no, 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 no. See, let me go back. Let me go back to home. Okay, I'm clicking on create workspace, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now we have selected blank workspace. Okay,
Hmm.
right? Now I clicked on next. Now
Hmm.
please let me know how many ways I can create a workspace. How many options do I have to create a workspace?
We can create in three ways.
Right? Three ways, right?
Yes.
What
Okay.
are those three ways?
First, we can the three lines are coming there in the top of the left side. Okay.
This one.
Yes, yes. File, new.
Uh,
We can click on new.
uh. No, 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 Gautam. No, no. I'm not asking in in. I'm not asking that thing. I'm asking what are the options? How many options can I create in
Okay, okay,
workspace?
okay, okay. Understand. Get it, get it.
Uh,
Actually, it is like five ways. Five ways we can.
Five ways.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
five ways, right? In that, if we remove this upgrade plan thing, so how many
Mm,
ways I can create?
three ways.
Three ways, right?
Mm,
Okay. Can you
Mm.
please create all of them? Can you please create and name it differently? Yeah, name your workspace differently. All three ways. I request everyone to create workspace in three ways.
okay.
Name your workspaces differently. Yeah. Let me also create personal WS page. Then one more workspace. Next team workspace page and another workspace. Uh, public workspace. Okay. Is it done?
Doing.
Okay. So once you get a document, the first thing you do is creating a workspace, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So is it done?
Hello, Ashish.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
I mean, we have to click on options which are not having option upgrade, right?
Yes, correct, correct, Shubhangi. Yes,
Okay.
you're right.
Okay, okay, fine. Wait, just wait. I'm creating.
Take your time, take your time. Uh, couldn't
Ashish, sorry to
yeah.
interrupt. Actually, I am getting like in my
Uh,
postman.
uh,
I am not seeing the plans. Here it is showing 6 7 approach.
seven approach.
Yes.
Like,
Can I share in?
yeah, yeah, please. I really want to see
Give
seven
me some time.
approaches.
Yes, yes. I'm also like that's why I'm also getting confusing with it.
Seven approaches.
Okay, just give me some
Okay,
seconds.
I got it. I got it. Are you stating about this explore our templates?
Yes, 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 yes.
Nah, nah, Gautam. Not templates. Once you select the workspace, you need to
Okay,
click
okay,
on
okay,
next. Here you can access your workspace. In these ways, you can create a workspace. That
okay,
templates
okay,
is a
okay.
different thing.
Get it. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. I don't know. Uh,
Renu, can you mute?
yeah, yes, please. Is it done?
For me, on third option,
Uh-huh.
like what was option? Anyone on the internet.
Uh-huh.
After that, I'm not getting step forward. Only back option is there.
Okay. I mean, let me. Can you see my screen, Shubhangi?
Yes,
Okay. Here, I clicked on create workspace and
yes,
clicked on next. And here, when you click on
खराटे ना
this,
मारो सारे कह रहे हैं बाद में आ रही
right,
हूँ.
right. Huh. Like this only option is there.
Yeah,
Where?
you need to type in the
Oh,
name here.
sorry. Sorry.
Yeah,
I
it's okay,
forgot.
it's okay. No problem.
So, Ashish,
Uh-huh.
Ashish, when I
Yeah.
click on the third option, so
Uh,
it's telling like set up your team, what's your team name, what will be your team work on, invite people via email, like that.
you can do one thing. Okay, let me go
For
Mhm.
ahead
me
with.
also, there were option. I click.
Yes, yes. I am also getting these options when I am selecting
Yes, yes,
teams.
Okay.
yes.
I
Mm.
went through that. I give any name.
You can give, huh? You can give demo or something like that.
Hmm.
And what will your team member?
You can
Sorry. Mm.
ignore those senses. Okay. See, if it says in this way, just say demo and other.
Yes, I did same.
Thank you.
I can.
And
I skip invite people.
yep,
Yeah.
yep. We
Yeah.
don't want as of. Perfect, perfect.
Okay.
Ashish, what
Yeah.
happened when I tried to make the second workspace? So
Mm,
I fill all the details like Teams workspace.
mm,
So the pop up I filled
mm,
it up,
mm.
but now my workspace is looking so differently.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not. Mhm.
That is completely fine.
Okay.
That is completely fine. Mm. Is it done?
Yes.
Okay, amazing.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes,
amazing,
yes.
amazing. Now, do one thing. Let me go to this. The one which says public workspace. Go to the public workspace. If you have named it public, uh, go to that public workspace, please. Everyone. Are everyone on the public workspace?
Public workspace. I gave name like team 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that
Where
will
should
be
we go?
that would be confusing.
Sorry,
Uh, it's
I
okay.
missed it. Can we rename
Yeah, you can rename.
which team I
Okay.
have? Team.
Ashish, also I gave name practice 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
So
okay. Uh, okay. How would I say
I
that if
thought
it is
you
a...
said everyone give different name. I gave myself.
Okay, no worries, no worries. It's okay. Okay, do one thing. Um, okay, team 1, 2, 3. Click on the third one. I think third one will be the public workspace. Click on team 3 and Renu, click on practice
yes.
3.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did.
Okay. Now, once you click on it, do you see settings option?
Yes.
Everyone, click
Yes.
on it.
Okay.
Now, does it say anyone on the internet?
Huh. Yes.
Anyone? Then you're on the public workspace. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
scroll down
Hmm.
completely. Everyone up. Scroll down completely. Do you see delete workspace?
Just,
Delete
yes.
work. Huh. Is the delete workspace enabled? Can we delete the workspace?
No.
No. What does it say, please?
Public workspace cannot be deleted.
Huh.
Change visibility to delete the workspace.
Correct. So how would we change the visibility is
Hmm.
scroll up, completely up, where it
Okay.
says anyone on the internet, change it to everyone or personal. You can change it to everyone or personal.
Personal, we cannot go. Only any everyone from
Ha,
team 2
click
is
on, yeah,
available.
yeah, click on it, please.
Okay.
And then click on update.
Okay.
Now, once that has been updated, now see if you can delete the workspace.
Yes.
Okay. Click on the delete workspace button
Okay.
and
Did. Hmm.
where it's, I mean, something is in bold in color, right? Something is in bold in the where it says delete workspace, like this your workspace name is in bold in color, right?
No.
When you
Yeah,
click
yeah,
on,
yeah, yeah. One
yeah,
pop-up window you are saying.
yeah,
Some,
pop up in
some
the pop up
space is
window.
there. Yeah.
Hmm.
Enter workspace name to confirm.
Yes. So copy that workspace name, only the workspace name, which is in bold in color. Copy that, paste
Okay.
it in the search field, paste it in the text box field,
Okay. I did.
and then click on delete workspace.
No, we cannot.
We cannot.
No option like that.
Sorry. Can you share your screen, please, Shubhangi?
Yes, I can.
Uh,
Ashish, I'm also facing some problem in it.
yeah. Let me check. Is everyone else also facing the same?
For me, I don't have at all this
Yes, I am
uh,
also facing that.
public workspace. I have
Yeah. I
everyone
think
from
that's. I think
anyone
that's.
on the internet. Is it the same?
Anyone on the internet is public. It's public.
That means public. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is
Uh,
my screen
yeah.
visible?
Yeah. Yes. Shubhangi. Scroll down, please. Now click
Yes.
on the delete workspace thing.
Yes.
Yeah. Here, where it says team three. Team three. Copy that
Okay.
and then paste it in the field in
I
here.
did wrong. Okay, fine.
No worries. And now delete it. Done. Okay, great. Now do the same. See if it works for the other team one and team two workspaces. Okay. See
Okay.
if you can delete those as well or not. Okay. And can you please stop sharing so that I can see Renu's screen?
Sure, sure, sure.
Thank you. And okay, Nadia as well, right? And who else? Sorry, who else? It was having an issue.
Setting. Remake.
Renu, can you please share your screen?
Yes. So
Yeah,
can you see? Yeah.
yeah.
So see, there is a workspace.
No, no,
So
no,
I
don't,
created.
no, no, don't click on that. Don't click on that. On the left
Hmm,
hand side, click outside of this pop up.
okay.
Uh, where it says practice 3 on the left hand side, right below that arrow icons.
Okay.
Click on that. Click. Now click on settings on the right,
Okay.
right. Uh, Now scroll down. Now delete workspace is disabled, right?
Yep.
Okay. The reason being it is a public workspace. So if it is a public workspace, you cannot delete the workspace. You have to change the visibility. How do you change it? Scroll up and up. More up. Yeah, change the visibility to team, I think. Everyone from team. The third option. And update. Update. Click on update. Okay. Now see if you can delete the workspace. Hmm. Copy that bold in color. Bold, which is in bold. The text which is in bold. And paste it in the text box. Delete. Do the same for other two workspaces as well. Okay. Never
Okay.
click on the workspace drop down on the left hand side. The workspace which will be on the left hand side, visible on the left hand side, you need to click on that in order to navigate to settings. Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
Uh,
Ashish.
you're welcome. Nadia, can you please share your
Ashish,
screen? Yeah,
Okay.
Shubhangi.
I did for team one, but
Uh,
I'm not able to find for team two. I did. I deleted team three. I deleted team one,
uh,
but for two, options are different.
okay, options are different for team two. We'll check on that, huh? We'll check on that.
Okay.
Nadia, could you please share your screen? Team two, I think it's everyone from the team. Okay. Uh, Nadia, are you sharing your screen? Okay. In the meanwhile, Shubhangi, could you please share your screen?
Yes,
I'm sharing. I'm sharing.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
fine.
it was black.
Okay.
So,
Uh,
is it okay? Is it visible?
yeah, it is. Uh,
Yeah. So I am here. I did like that's for that you said it's public, but it was not here visible as public. It was like everyone. I
no,
think
only public is, I think public would be everyone from your team is the second option. Uh,
no, I
sorry.
deleted already.
You deleted, then it's good,
Yeah,
right?
but it gives me this.
Okay. You just need to click on the any one of the option. Click on any one of the option. Everyone from your team. Click on everyone from your team. Yeah.
Here,
Huh.
here
You
or
can
here.
anywhere. Both anywhere is fine.
Okay.
Now you have navigated here.
Mm-hmm.
I think Shubhangi, you're also on the same screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now Nadia, could you please click on that everyone from your team on the left hand side, on the top left. Yep. Yeah. No. No.
Here.
Yes. The okay. Here, click on settings, please.
Okay.
Uh, Now scroll down. See delete workspace and copy the bold text and paste it. Uh, Shubhangi, is that the same for you as well?
Okay, let me check.
Yeah.
I deleted.
Yeah, delete it. We don't need it. It's just a practice that how we can create a workspace, in how many ways we can create a workspace, and in what ways we can delete the workspace. Now we all got to know that it's only the public workspace which we cannot delete it.
Oh yeah, I see it disappeared.
Appeared? Okay, let's see.
It disappeared from the list.
Disappeared,
Hmm.
right? Yes.
Hmm.
So it will be
So
deleted. Yeah.
yeah. So I have two left.
Delete them as
Should
well.
I,
Delete them as well.
them?
We don't need it. Delete them as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
just a practice that we are doing, how to create, in how many ways can we create a workspace, and in what all ways, in what all workspaces can we delete, and what workspaces we cannot delete. So what is the only workspace which we cannot delete?
Public.
Correct. All other
Yeah.
workspaces we can delete. Now
Okay.
if everyone are
Thank
done
you.
with this, you're welcome. If everyone
I
are
stop
done with
sharing.
this, sorry.
I stop
Yes,
sharing.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yeah,
Ashish.
yes. Please
Thank you.
stop sharing. Yeah. So we are all good with workspaces, right?
Shall I
Yes, yes,
share my
Ashish.
screen once?
Yeah, Shubhangi. Yes, you can.
Is it visible?
Not yet.
No.
Mm, oh, she left the meeting. Okay. Her joined. Okay. Yes, now I can see it. Okay, team 2. Uh-huh. Yes. Click on settings, please. Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah, delete workspace. And select that bold text. Paste it and delete. Done. One. Okay. Now we are good with workspaces. So whenever we get a documentation, first thing that we do is creating a workspace. And if you're not happy with the workspace, delete it and create a new one.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm pretty sure you will be not creating public workspace when you're working in projects, because your data should not be shared with public. Your company's data should not be shared with public. So the only two options you need to select is either everyone on the team or personal.
Yes.
Mostly people go with everyone on the team because you will be sharing your collections with everyone on the team. Either it might be business analysts or product owners or clients or sorry, not clients or other developers or other testers. So it should be everyone from the team. Okay. So we are good with workspace. We are good with
Yes,
workspace.
Ashish.
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Ashish, I could not. Sorry, I
Uh-huh.
could not. I could not delete the last one. Only invited partners and team members. I could not delete it.
The last one, could you please share your screen? Let me see which is that. I think it is a
Hmm.
public one.
Okay.
The public one is the one. Hmm.
Is it
Okay, which is the
is
one
this
which
one? Is
which one?
this one?
Only
This one
invited partners and team members. Click on that, please.
here?
Okay, you're already on the settings screen. Okay, scroll
Yeah,
down.
yeah. I'm on the status, but this you see, it's not activated. This.
Okay, now scroll down. No, no. Click, select, hover on the delete workspace thing. Hover on the delete. No, no, no. Scroll down. Yeah, little bit down, little bit. Only where it says delete. Huh. What does it say?
Delete workspace.
When you hover on it, what does it say in the pop-up?
Here, partner
Yes.
workspace cannot be
Uh,
deleted.
uh,
Change visibility to delete the one workspace. So we must
yes.
change here.
Yes. Change it
Yeah, I
to,
tried to change, but I don't know which
no,
one.
change it to everyone from team demo. Change it to that.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah. Update. Click on update.
Okay.
No, 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 no. You need to click on update. Huh. Now delete it. It will be get deleted.
Yeah, yeah, it's activated.
So if something is not working, then change it to the one which is working. Then delete it. It will be get deleted. So we are good with
Okay.
workspaces. Now what I request you to do is go back to your normal workspace which you are using for training, whichever workspace you are using. Use that workspace. I mean, go back to that workspace, please. Then create a collection. Create a collection. Is the collection created? And you can
Yes,
rename,
Ashish.
yeah, you can rename the workspace, you can modify the workspace, you can do n number of things. In that settings you can rename the workspace as well. Okay, so that renaming is, you will find it once
Can
you.
you show once again how to create new collection? I forgot.
Oh, no worries.
I
Yeah,
didn't
sure.
practice yet. Yes.
No worries, no worries. I'll let me delete this workspaces from my end, because uh, then I'll not have option to create a new workspace. Okay, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ha, perfect. So renaming the workspace, you go to settings and okay, we don't have here. Sorry, you can rename it from here. You can rename the workspace here. Just okay. Now coming to the collection, this plus icon. Do you see
Okay.
the plus icon?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, click on that and you can click on blank collection. Okay,
Okay,
click on
okay,
blank collection. You can create a collection. Let me create
okay.
this and
And
then
there again, we have to create new, means have to give different name.
yeah. So yeah, give a name. You can give it a name.
Okay.
So what is today? Wednesday, right?
No, no, Thursday.
Thursday, Thursday.
Thursday?
Yes.
Thursday, Thursday.
Oh my God, we are on
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah.
Oh God, days are running really fast. Okay,
Ashish, please, how
yeah.
to rename
You
the
just need to,
workspace?
or else you can do one thing, Nadia. You can do right click on this, and I think we have an option to rename. We have an option to rename.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And one more thing. Okay, what is the repeated thing that you do on whenever you create a collection or whenever you add a request or whenever you modify things? What is a repeated thing that you do on a? I mean, what is a repeated thing that you do? Okay, I'll give you another example. This is a Word document. Okay, now I have typed something over here. Now I'm closing it. So would my work will be saved or not?
No.
No. Okay.
Still not saved. When you close, one pop-up is appear.
Yeah, we'll get a pop-up. Let's say I hit on cancel. Will it save?
No.
No, not save and not close also.
Not close also. Okay.
Mm.
Now what I'll do is
Don't
okay.
save. If you
If you
click on
don't,
Don't
don't
save.
save, then it will not
Then
not save
right.
but closed.
Close, right? So
Mm.
what will I no, so same here in Postman as well. You have to click on save each and every time, right? Whenever you make any changes,
hmm. Yes.
right? So see, and also, I think Renu has asked in the very beginning, at the very beginning, like when we create a request. Okay, let me create a request here. Let me delete this collection. Okay, and deleting the collection is nothing. You just right click on it, or I think right click, or you can click on these three dots and scroll down. You'll find the delete option. Okay, let me
Okay.
delete this and add some. Okay. So everyone are good with creating collection, right? Uh, Now
Yes,
everyone know
yes,
how to okay,
yes,
and how to delete the collection, how to rename the collection. Everyone are good with that too, right?
Yes.
yes, yes, yes.
Amazing. Okay. Now let me take one of the link here. Copy link address. And, uh, okay, I'll add it in the add it here. Okay, and save. Let me save it under demo jargon. Okay, let's save it under products. Save. Save. Okay. Now I want to move this request into REQ RES. So do I have this option under here?
Can't get you, Ashish. Can you please?
Sorry?
Can't understand. Can you please?
Okay. I have this request. The request is in under demo jar collection, right?
Okay.
Okay, the request, the get request, the is under demo jar application, demo jar collection. But I want
Yes,
this
yes.
this one to be under. I want to move this request under REQ RES collection. So when I
Just
click on
drag
this
it and drop it.
drag and drop it, right? So do I
Yes.
have an option when I click on this three dots? Do I have an option in order to
No, no,
do this?
no
No.
option is
No,
available.
right? So see, I can, I think I can show one thing. Okay, these and automatic save. I mean, when if I open VS Code, let me open VS Code. Here in VS Code, when I click on file, we have an option of auto save, right? So
Yes.
I need not to save it each and every time, whenever I make changes, I need not to make those changes. Same way, will it be good if we have auto save option in here as well in Postman?
No, only manual option is available, na.
Now
Yes, it will be good.
it will be
Yes,
good,
yes,
right? Huh.
yes.
And we also want that if we have that option, like move to this particular collection, if we have that option, that will be also helpful for us, right?
Yes.
Because at times dragging and dropping might, we might drag it and drop it in a different folder or different, sorry, I'm saying, why I'm saying different folder, different collection or somewhere else we can. So these things you can write it to Postman. You can write it to Postman. Like, I can show you one example. uh, I think Postman community. There's an email where you can find. I'll share that email with you all. So these things, when you are doing it now, it will definitely help them. Not only them, it will help in future to us as well. So
Yes, yes, yes. If we
try
mention
to,
in community, yes,
yes,
yes.
community. I think a community you can mention in community, and you can directly send them email as well. You can send them email
Okay.
as well. Contact us. I think somewhere you will find contact us. So these
Mm.
things,
I think the
which,
question mark is there, na, on the sorry, right
yeah,
corner.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Community. We
support,
have
yes.
community and
Community support. All these things are there.
yes.
Mm.
So actually, if I what I did is,
Everyone should do. So it will be like
yeah,
maybe
here,
there some
if
sense.
if you come to scripts, tab, here you don't have that scroll bar here. You cannot scroll down. There's no option to scroll down. Can anyone check if there is a scroll option? When you come to scripts tab, do you, on the right hand side where it says snippets?
Yes, it doesn't have scroll bar.
So I have raised a bug for this, stating that we don't have a scroll bar option.
Hmm.
And so they are looking into it. I mean, they are looking into it, and they said like, now use what they say, a mouse wheel button, but they will be implementing this soon. So these things will
Great.
really help you. With these things will really help you and will help the Postman as well. In future, you will be getting more features, and it will really help you in testing as well. So this is a thing. When you find something, please let Postman people know that this is what I'm having trouble with, or this is a new feature which I really love to have in the Postman tool. So it, yeah, it helps everyone. Bottom line is, it helps everyone. Okay, so do those things. You will really enjoy it when you send them, and when they reply to you, it will be really good actually.
Yes, yes.
And
And is there any bounty of things like
bounty, I don't know about bounty thing. I never checked on that bounty things. But yeah,
because it is a bug, na.
no, it is
No,
not.
no, no. Sorry, sorry,
Yeah, this
sorry. It
is
is
a bug.
not this
Yeah, this is a
functionality.
bug. The
Hmm.
scroll bar is a bug, but save
Hmm.
option is not a bug.
Not bug. Yes, yes, yes.
And in
Actually,
here,
it's it's
They
it's
can
an
add.
enhancement. You
ah,
can
Hmm.
say them
yes,
enhance your
yes,
things.
okay.
Hmm.
So I'm not sure about bounty things, but yeah, help others and help Postman team.
Hmm.
Maybe they might. Yeah, one day you might be working for the Postman team. Who knows? Okay.
Mhm.
So, and okay, now collection is done. Now what I request you to do is, everyone open this thing, dummy JSON. Yes, dummy JSON. I hope yesterday's practice would definitely help you now. Where exactly, Postman? Postman, dummy JSON. In here, go to docs and expand recipes, recipe section. Expand recipe section. Okay, and I request you to do the same. First, add a recipe. Okay, before doing that, okay, let me show you one thing. Let me delete this here. Now, okay, your again, I'll go back to the sandwich thing. Okay, what all ingredients do we use in sandwich? I mean, normal sandwich,
Ketchup,
veg sandwich. Let's go with veg sandwich. What all ingredients we use?
Onion,
ketchup,
cucumber,
tomato.
Salt.
cauliflower,
Oh my god, oh my god. Okay.
cucumber,
Anyone, please.
Bread.
bread,
Sorry?
cucumber,
Bread, cucumber,
Onion.
uh,
onion,
Tomato.
salad,
Salad.
tomato, salad. Okay.
Ketchup.
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 Okay. So
Yeah.
we have around 6 to 7 items, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's say in your kitchen, you do not have cucumber. Okay.
Okay.
Cucumber is not there. Okay. So when cucumber is not there, then you cannot if there is no cucumber in your kitchen, then you cannot remove it as well, right? I mean, if there is no cucumber, then you cannot okay,
Even
you cannot remove it from the kitchen as well, because there is no cucumber present at all in your kitchen. The same way,
yes.
what exactly yesterday it was happening is, when we are adding a product, let's say we are adding a product, so Mayur asked, like, I'm not seeing this id in when I'm retrieving it. Okay, how do you test it if this has gone to the database or not? Okay, how do you test it? Let's say now I have added it. Okay, let's go with the sandwich only. Yeah, some veggie sandwich, veggie salad sandwich. Okay. Oh, spell it wrong. Sandwich. Okay. Save it and send it. So we get the ID, right? Now let's assume. Okay, let's assume that this has gone to the database. It has been saved in the database, right? Now, when yesterday we were deleting it, or when we were updating it, okay, when we were updating it with giving it 195 number, and then saving and then sending it, it was showing not found. Okay, how can you confirm that this 195 is not in the database? Is, go to the delete a product, okay, and give the same number and click on send. In here it should say the same, 195 is not found, which means if you don't have that product, if you don't have cucumber at your home, then you cannot remove it, right? In the same way, if 195 here, kitchen is your database. Kitchen is where you store all your items. So when there is no cucumber in your kitchen, then how can you remove it? You haven't added cucumber in your kitchen, so you cannot remove it. In the same way, 195 item was never added to the database, so you cannot delete it at any point of time. In this way, you can confirm that this thing has not been added to the database. Here it's a demo project which we are working, so that is the reason this 195 was not getting added in the database. But in real projects, when you are adding a product, this veggie salad sandwich, whatever which we are adding, and when we are trying to update it, or when we are trying to delete it, and it says 195 not found, what should you do?
Report it
Report it
as a defect
to
to developer
correct.
or
Developer.
BM.
Yes.
Yes.
No, 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 not BA, not BA.
Okay.
Developer.
BA will be
Developer.
crying. No, not
Okay.
BA. Okay, developer. Yeah, you should
Okay.
inform it to the developers, raising a bug stating that, see, dude, I have added a product, and when I'm trying to, and here it is successful. It says 201 created, but when I'm trying to update it or delete it, I'm not able to find that product, which means it might not be. I mean, this API might not be connected to the database, or this product's API might be not working when rendering the data into the database. So this is how you can check. Don't go with the update a product, or directly go to the delete a product and add the number here and see if it is found or not. If it is not found, then you can raise a bug. Okay. Now, same way as we have done, add a product, single product, delete a product, and update a product, I want quickly everyone to add the same for the recipes. Add a recipe, single recipe, update a recipe, and delete a recipe. Same way, same way. You can create a new folder under the collection. uh, Everyone knows how to create a folder, right? Under the collection.
Yes, Ashish.
Yeah, right click. Okay, right click, right click, right
Right
click,
click on the three tab also.
and then add folder.
Add
When you
folder.
add a folder,
Yes.
you can rename the folder. You can rename as recipes only, which will be easy to identify. And then add all these four. Add a recipe, get a single recipe, update a recipe, and delete a recipe. All four should be added, please. Quickly, quickly. And the JSON should be added for where exactly the body will be added, which all request the body needs. Which all the requests the body needs to be added.
Posts and puts.
Yes, correct, correct. Perfect. Quickly, quickly, quickly. So we are done with the workspaces, adding and deletion and renaming it. We are done with the collection, adding and deleting and renaming it. We are done with the create a folder under the collection, and we can rename as well, rename and delete as well, same way. And then we can add requests under the folder, and if something is out of the folder, we can drag it. Everyone knows how to drag a request into the folder or into the collection, right? Or you want me
Yes,
to
yes.
show it once? Everyone?
I missed your last lecture.
Yeah.
I'm not able to proceed further. I have to see recordings.
Okay, no worries, Shubhangi, no worries. Yeah. Everyone else completed? And I can show once how do you drag it. Let me go ahead and I'll go to that FebAPI batch.
Ashish, actually, one more thing.
Hmm. Yeah.
Dummy
Yes,
JSON
Gautam.
section. Their method is not mentioned, so how to
Sorry,
know
where
which
exactly
method?
method is not mentioned?
Like in
In
when you
the
see
here?
recipes also na no
Uh-huh.
no method is here not mentioned any methods.
No,
Get all
get
recipes.
all recipes.
Okay. That is the name na.
No, that I mean get in the sense it is a method name.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is like
Get
and a
all
little
recipes.
bit like search recipes. So, there
Huh.
is no search like search is not method na.
Search is
This
not a
is
method, but search
Mhm.
we can see. Okay, Gautam. When you're retrieving something, okay, when you're retrieving information, okay,
Hmm.
when you're searching information, when you're finding some information, na, those all come under get requests. Everything.
Okay.
If you're searching for Chennai on Google, or if you're searching for Alaska on Google, or if you're searching from for green apple on Google. All these things are get requests. I mean, we are getting information from internet. So we can go in that way. If I say,
Okay,
I
okay,
think
okay.
once Nadia asked the same question, if I remember, like how do we know that this is a get request?
Yes, yes. On seventh lecture, she
Yeah,
asked.
I don't know the lecture name, but yes. So yeah. Okay, I was showing.
Ashish,
Yeah.
I would like to show you my screen once a time. Can I
Okay.
share?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. Are you able to see?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So
Hmm.
see, this is the folder.
Uh-huh.
So these are the get, put, post, delete.
Uh-huh.
Is it fine? Is it
Yes, it
good?
is fine, but I request you to rename it. Or not everyone should not be recipes.
Okay.
The naming, name it
Hmm.
as like forget what was it? Get a single recipe for update a recipe, which will make your life easy. I mean, next time when you're trying to work on it, then
Hmm.
I know the methods are showing you like, yeah, but when there is a long list, very long list now in here we are just practicing. But when you're
Okay.
working in a project, there will be a big long list of get requests, big long list of post requests. So always naming convention is really important. Not only here,
Okay.
in
Hmm.
programming as well. I think you might have come across like naming convention gives a lot of weightage when you're working in programming as well.
Okay. So like there is a folder recipe. So what name should I put for get?
Okay, what was the get request which you had in a dummy JSON? Which get request you pulled in here?
Um. So dummy. Okay. So okay. See, it's recipes. So
Wh-
single recipe. Get a
Name the
single
same.
recipe.
Name the same
Hmm?
thing. Name the same thing.
Okay. Okay.
Name
Understood.
it in the same. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Like add recipe in
Yes.
when we
Yes.
create something.
Yes.
Okay. Update recipe like
Yes.
when we put something.
Yes. And okay, what is a bug here? Where in updated recipes, what is a bug here? Everyone, huh?
Update.
Everyone. I'm asking
Hmm?
everyone.
Body
What is?
not mentioned. The body.
Sorry.
Body is not mentioned.
Body is not mentioned. No, no, no. Body is mentioned. Click on that. Renu, could you please click on that update a recipe?
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, yeah,
So we
mentioned,
cannot.
mentioned.
Yes, Arvind, Ashish,
Uh,
we cannot update it.
no,
So,
no, no. That is
because
not the bug.
uh,
That is not the bug. See again, check again. Everyone, everyone. I want to see who finds it.
see, it's written over here. Updating a recipe will not update into the server. So we
Yeah, that
cannot
is.
change anything.
No, no, that is
That is the
fine.
instruction for us. That is not a
Nah,
bug, I think.
okay. I'll give a tip. It's not on the main page. It's on the list. The bug is on the list. The list. Renu, could you please scroll down? Scroll down.
Yep.
Huh.
I think I had answered something that day to do list or something was missing.
Nah.
Okay,
No, to do list. No,
specifically
no. Here
asking
it
update.
shows. It shows. But still, there's a very small. There is a very small
User,
bug. Huh?
Receipts, yes.
user.
Correct.
Multi
Correct.
receipts. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It is.
Yes.
We are only updating a single recipe here, but the naming says recipes. Update
Okay.
a recipes, which is wrong.
Oh, yes.
Got it?
Yes, yes, this
Yes,
one.
yes, yes.
Update a
Yes.
recipes S here and
Ha.
S here is missing.
Yeah, no, that is correct. Update recipe is correct, but here on the list it should say single because we are updating a single product, not multiple products.
A recipe means S not should be available.
Correct. So this is how you need to check each and everything. It is really hard, huh? It is really testing job is really hard, but it is fun too. Okay. So good, Akash. Very good. Super.
Okay, Ashish is here.
Huh?
Get all recipes.
That is correct.
All recipes
That
is
is correct.
one, right?
Mm, get
Okay.
all recipes is correct, I know. But when
Okay.
you click on get a single recipe,
Okay.
how should I say? See, all recipes, it's giving a big long list. But here, when
Hmm.
you're updating a recipe, you're only
Hmm.
updating a single recipe, but it says recipes. S S should not be
Okay.
added over there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Got
Okay.
it?
Okay. So yeah, got it. Yeah.
So that is a
Yeah.
bug. So
Okay.
yeah, so this is how testing should be
Okay.
done. And this is manual testing. Huh? This is not API
Yeah.
testing. This is manual
Okay.
testing. Okay.
Okay.
Testing
Okay.
UI is manual testing. And same you can do in Selenium as well. Same Playwright as well. What else? Cypress as well. Yeah, where you can say like what find element where it says update recipe, and you can use if and else. If update a recipe is correct, then print update a recipe as true. If it says update recipes, then print or something else, then print it as false. So here your output would be false if you use if and else condition here. Yeah,
Okay.
find element
Ashish,
and export. Huh?
which kind of recipe? Sorry,
Yes.
testing it is. Can I ask this
Yeah,
question
yeah,
here?
yeah. Please.
No, no. My
Huh.
question is which type of manual testing we are doing here? Means there are
Functional.
types
Functional.
of
API,
testing.
API,
Okay,
No.
related.
She asked a
no,
different
no.
question, Gautam. No. It comes under functional testing.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
fine.
it comes under functional testing, and there are n number of what they say. We differentiate the functional testing in smoke, many things. But if you see overall, then it is a functional testing.
Okay.
Like and actually we say it as a UI, and I mean the priority might be low priority and severity.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't come through that yet, but overall it is a functional testing.
Okay.
Okay, it is a
Thank you.
functional testing. You're
Yes.
welcome. Okay, good, Akash, good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so is it done? Sorry, I forgot. I lost the path. Is it done? All four added. All four added.
Yeah, yes,
Added.
I Ashish. Yes,
Amazing.
Ashish.
Yeah. Yes, Nadia.
Yeah. So I got like for posts and for puts, I
Hmm.
got it's like 400 in
400.
the code. I don't know why. Maybe
Uh,
this JSON, the body is
Jason,
something
yeah,
wrong.
Jason body you might have been went wrong. Okay, I'll share
Yeah.
my screen. See if it is same for everyone. Okay, when it comes to Jason
Mm-hmm.
body, I've created a. Oh, sorry, I haven't shared my screen, right? Wait, let me share my screen. Entire screen, and we will be completing it soon. It's already 1 hour, so we'll come back. Okay, please let me know if you everyone can see my screen.
Now visible.
Visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so under demo jar, I have created another folder and named it as recipes. And under that, I have added recipe, single recipe, update and delete. The name I have given the same. So if I go to add a recipe, the body should be in this way, Nadia. Only this should be under the body.
Oh, you take the name also.
Yeah,
For me, I
name.
take from the this curly brackets. I can show my screen. Oh, I
Uh,
didn't take. So
is it
I
the
when
same? Uh, Sorry.
like when it's I will show you. I can
Hmm.
share if you want.
Yes.
Okay. Mm, yes. You see
Hmm.
how I wrote it? I didn't take name. You know when I go to
No, you
body,
took name. You did take name, but the
I
format of the format of the JSON is not correct. Could you please let me know why exactly the format is not correct?
it needs here this quote
Yes,
double
double
one
quotes,
quote.
Double
Yeah.
quote is
double
missing
quotes,
on
double
the name.
quotes.
Yeah, here, yeah. Okay, thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
if tasty pizza also double quote.
Yeah. Yes. For tasty pizza, as Gautam said, for tasty pizza also, that is key
Uh,
and value both should have double quotes.
mm. So when I take it from the dummy JSON, I have to
Uh-huh.
change it here. I put the double
Yes,
quotes.
yes.
Okay.
They do.
Yeah.
That is a. I mean, the in dummy JSON, it's a JavaScript. It's completely written in JavaScript. So I think there's
Mm-hmm.
one more programming language which they used in order to write that. So that doesn't need double quotes, but we need it for JSON. We need it. We need double quotes to work.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
you're welcome. Do the same for. Sorry, this is put, right? Do the same for post as well. Okay. Now can I share my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So coming back to Postman. Now, okay. Give me some your favorite pizza name which I can add it here. Anyone? No one eats pizza? None like
Margarita.
pizza?
Pizza
Margarita. Okay.
margarita.
Okay. Margarita. Margarita. Cheese. Extra cheese pizza. Okay, let's go with extra cheese. Okay, extra cheese. Okay. Now I'll save this. Send it. I got the ID of 51. Now, how would I know if this ID has been gone to database or not? How can I check it?
By deleting.
Okay. So should I keep 51 here
Yes.
and
Save
then
it.
send,
Send
right?
it. Mm.
Now, do you think it has been added to the database or not?
No, not added.
Not. Yeah, correct. So in the same way, you can do for products and recipes. So once these are added, now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna
Uh,
yeah,
Sorry,
yes, Nidhi.
Ashish, can you
Yeah.
repeat this? That's how you found that he's in the database or not? Can you
Okay.
just repeat
See,
this, please?
let me. This is a pizza which I have added. Okay, I've sent it. Now I got an ID of 51 here. Okay, ID is 51. Now what I did is I wanted to update it. Okay, I went to update a recipe. I added 51 in the place here. At the very last, I have updated it as 51. And I clicked on send. Then I found that it says 51 is not found. Then I got confused. Like, why exactly 51 is not found? We have added it and we got the right number. So, what I went to delete a recipe and added the same number here. And I checked if if this 51 is added in the database or not. As it is not added in the database, we cannot delete it as well. In the kitchen, you do not have cucumber. So when you don't have cucumber, then you cannot remove it as well. In the same way, 51 was never in the database. So you can never delete it from the database. This is how you can find it. Understood? You want me to repeat it again?
Ashish,
Yeah.
I think this is applicable for these APIs, but in real time project, we can we can
Yes,
use get
yes.
request as well, right?
Yes.
No need to go to the delete and check
No.
whether it is created or not yet.
Sorry. Can you repeat it once again?
Yeah, instead of deleting,
Uh,
we can go with the get request as well, right? In real project.
we can go with the
Yeah.
get request as well. See,
Yes, no need
when
to
it comes
go
to
to the delete.
correct, you can go to get single recipe as well. And if in here you can do it from here or you can do it from delete recipe, whichever you find easy, you can go it in that way as well. But what exactly why I selected delete, because I mean if there is no product added, then we cannot delete it. In I went in that way. But yes, you can go and get a single recipe option as well. You can get it in that way too. The
Yes.
answer.
Thank
But
Sorry to
in
interrupt
real
you, Ashish.
project, if you're having this issue, then raise a bug and tell to the developer to fix it. Like this ID is not getting added to the database. Yeah, Gautam. Yeah.
Actually, when I am trying to delete recipe options, actually, there the delete method is used, and but it is not showing the is deleted equals to true is not displayed. It's just showing id equals to 1 and name classic margarita pizza. Can you check with it?
Yeah, can you share your screen, because I think,
Delete recipe sections. Can you
yeah, delete
in
recipe.
damages section?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I didn't understand your question at all. Sorry.
Can you open your Google Chrome?
My
Which
my
where is
okay. My screen. Okay. Yeah. Uh,
mm,
Go to delete recipe.
uh,
Okay. Uh,
in, no, get
uh,
a single, I think, delete recipe. Yes,
uh,
yes, that one.
uh,
Yes.
and
When I'm trying to delete,
uh,
output should not match with my real time.
this output you're talking about.
It is not come.
Yeah, because the reason being, we are adding something here. This number is not added to the database at all. So how can you delete it when that is not present in the database? So do one thing. Don't add 51. Add just one here. Okay. Add one.
I'm trying with that one also. See,
No, it
the
should show. It should show. See, is deleted true?
okay. It is very down to
It is a
Yeah, yeah.
flag, I think.
very down.
No,
Yes,
no.
yes.
It's a flag.
Actually,
I can.
Gautam was not finding this is
Yes.
deleted true.
I think it is
Okay.
missing from the console window because
Uh,
there are only mentioned ID colon 1 and it's deleted.
I
So it
think
is
Yeah,
in
but this is a
console
flag
also
that
you.
says, yeah, your request has been successfully deleted. I
Yes.
think request in source has been successfully deleted.
Here.
So if
In here.
is deleted is false, then there will be issue, right, Ashish?
Issue. Yes, correct,
Mhm.
correct. And you can see in console as well, Gautam. If you go in here,
Mm.
and is delete and go scroll down, and
No, it
where,
is very lower to the console.
where it went, where it went, where is my response? Response body. Okay. Here is deleted true.
Yes. It is showing.
Okay.
Mhm. Thank you.
Well, so as 51 we is not added to the database, so we are unable to delete it. But will any number that starts from 1 to 50, you can delete them. You will get that is deleted equal to true.
So, Ashish, we add this 51 to which one of them, to put or to post, or where
Everything you
exactly?
can add it to every request, apart from
And then
add
we do
recipe.
delete.
Yes, apart
Hello,
from
Ashish.
add. Yes.
Ashish, actually here we get wrong status code. Okay,
Where?
after deleting, we should it should give
Huh,
204. That
correct,
is
Yes.
no
correct,
content.
Sorry.
correct. True. But
But it
it
is
has
showing
been,
200.
yeah, it is designed in this way, so we cannot
Mhm.
change it. But it should
Right.
say 204 no content, no content.
Yes.
Content
But
not found. Yes.
not content not found, no content.
Okay.
Content not found is different. That is
Yes.
different.
No content
Mm.
Error 404. Okay.
Someone has a question?
means no response body
Yes.
for delete request here.
Yes. Okay. Nadia, see, you added a product and you got an ID, right? This
Yes.
ID, this ID should be added in every other request. Delete, update, and get a single recipe. Everywhere in here where it says 1, replace it with 51.
Okay, I put 151. Okay, I can
151.
do it. Yeah, I put 151. Okay, I can change it.
Okay. Because the
Get
recipe,
okay.
the ID is 51, right? So you should put 51 only. Not,
So this 51.
yeah.
And Ashish, from where did you check it's between 1 to 50?
How can you check? That is a good question. Now come back to this dummy JSON and get this all recipes thing and copy this. I mean, for me it was just an guess, but if you want to know in a real way, how would you find it? All recipes. Okay, and paste it here.
Ashish, I'm
Uh,
getting some background noise.
yeah, me too. I'm not sure who, but yeah. And click on send. Here you can find all the list of recipes till 50. You'll find till 50. See, total 50.
Okay.
Only 50 are in the database, not
Okay.
more than that.
Okay. So we cannot create like we cannot put 51. So
No, we cannot. We cannot. We have not given that option.
we have only right to put 1 to 15 between.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
51 we can create 51. We can
But
create,
we
but
cannot update, or
we
we
cannot do
cannot.
anything. We
Yes,
cannot do
we cannot
anything.
do. But
Anything.
between 50 we can change it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So everyone are okay. And yeah, you can get, when you go to get all recipes, you can see the count here at the very bottom. You can see what is the count. Same, I think we can see for products as well. Let me go to products thing and get all products. Copy and add in here, add a request, all products, and then you get, remove the single quotes, save, send, and scroll to the very bottom. There are only 194. We cannot add the 195 one. We can only play around with 194 194 items, not the 195th one.
Okay.
Okay. So in this way you
Uh,
can see. Yeah.
Ashish, can I share my screen because I see that's 51 that I added. I see it. I see one. It gives like in gets and post it gives 51, but input it gives only one.
Can you please share your screen? Just one
Okay.
second. So we are good with adding requests to the collection and creating folders, right? And renaming and all those things, right?
Yes, it is
Okay,
okay.
amazing. Okay. What happened here? Nadia, you haven't replaced 1 with 51.
Yeah, I did.
Not
Yes.
input. Not input.
Oh, it is in gets. I did.
Get is correct. The response which you are getting is correct.
Yeah, it's here 51. So in
51.
post,
Post also you need to. No, post
I
you need not
didn't
to. No, post you need not to do anything. Post you need not to do anything. Put you need to
input.
yeah, you need to change 1 to 51.
Okay.
Because Nadia, when you put 1 to 50, so you get response. Okay, but when you put 51, you won't get response because in server there is no 51 thing, you know.
It is not
Oh,
added. Uh,
but 51 is 50, and is from 1 to 50 is what, like in
It
the
you will get response
you will
in,
get
because in
response.
the database there is values for 1
oh,
to 50, but 51 is not existence, so that's why you are not getting 51. But you cannot do anything in post or put, because there is none of like, there is no data for 1 to for 51. So only 1 to 50 you can just get information between 1 to 50, but 151 is not allowed for this. And you cannot use post put anything, you cannot change in it, you cannot, but in real time you can do it.
okay, thank you,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
So it's here, I have here, so I changed here 51. I must check
Yeah,
like this.
51 is correct. The response which you are getting is correct.
Here is
If you want to
and
work, if you want to work with the numbers that are I mean the data, if you want to work with the data, then go with numbers between 1 to 50 only. You can put 50.
okay,
Yeah, 50 50. Okay, deleting, right? Okay,
50,
fine. No, it's fine. It's
50.
50. No, 51 is fine. Send it.
Okay.
So 51 is not present. 51 is not at all
Yeah.
present in the server database. Okay, that is the reason.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to work on the recipes thing, then use numbers 1 to 50. Play around with 1 to 50. But as we are adding a adding a new recipe, when we are adding a new recipe which gives a number of 51, ID of 51, we can just only add it. We can only add it but that is not adding to the database server. It is not really getting ahead and adding to the database server, because this is a dummy project. This is a dummy project. We do not have access to database where that data can go ahead and get added to the database. So if you want to work,
So yeah, you mean here with this 1 to 50, it means 50 recipes they are in the database, yes?
correct, correct, correct.
Yeah. And how did you know that there are only 50?
Okay.
Is it like in the
Mm,
requirements?
yeah, I'll let you know. Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Please see this. I went to this dummy JSON, and I've selected this one. Where exactly? Get all recipes. Okay. I've selected this request, get all recipes. Okay. And I've used that get all recipes here, and I've sent it. I've sent that request. I haven't made any changes. I just clicked on send. So when I clicked on send, when I scroll to the very bottom, then I can see there are only 50 recipes.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So it's
Okay.
from there.
Yes.
Yeah, okay,
When
thank you.
when you go to, in the same way for all products as well, when you scroll to the very bottom, when you run that request and scroll to the very bottom, you can see 194 only. You can add a product, but that product will not be really added to the database. It will never be added to the database in this dummy project. Okay. So if you want to work on if you want to play around with these products or recipes, then use the number which is less than 195, like 194, 193, or in the same way. Okay. Same with 50, same for recipes as well. Go with 50, 49, 48 in that way. Understood?
Yes, but I don't find this number here
Which one?
in my is the this 50. I don't find it here
50, you don't find
in
it?
the gets. I went to gets and
Uh-huh.
then I went to the response in the body.
Uh,
Okay, and where exactly? What is the name where you find 50? You said
okay. Select this
okay.
get all recipes. Select this get all
Ah,
recipes.
yeah. Okay. It's in JSON, in
Mm.
dummy JSON.
Yeah,
Mm.
dummy JSON, dummy JSON.
So
So if you
get
want to
all
find the count,
recipes.
then go with get all recipes. Same with
Okay, and
products.
then
Then copy and paste it on Postman and then run it.
get all recipes. It means this blue one I must copy
Sorry.
it.
Which blue one?
Get all recipes. It means the red link. The black
The
one.
link.
Okay.
The link.
The URL.
The
Okay.
endpoint, the URL.
Okay. Copy.
Practice, practice, practice.
Practice. Yes.
Practice is really missing.
Yes. True.
It's really
Yes,
missing.
Ashish, we will be doing that. So tomorrow we will be ready. So today was amazing. It was
Oh,
amazing.
thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, I think it's I missed I extended 30 minutes more. So
It's okay.
yeah, have a lovely evening.
But it
And
will work. Yes.
yeah, still you're having difficulty in finding the URLs. It's like, yeah, practice please.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let me find this.
Okay, Nadia. So practice your own